You know, one of the things that's super, super important, especially as you age, is to make sure you get enough protein. If you don't get enough protein in your diet, then even if you're eating a very well-balanced diet, you're still going to be hungry. And I was finding myself in that state. Like, I would eat a meal and I felt like I was missing something. And then I started actually using Restore from Tennant Products. And it's a whey protein that has a lot of digestive enzymes, and it's got stuff for cardiovascular support, for immune support, for energy level support. And just one scoop of that in the morning in a smoothie or just plain simple water, delicious taste. Those cravings went away. That feeling of not being satisfied after a meal went away. And I realized even though I was attending to my protein needs, I wasn't getting enough. And this product did it. Again, it's Restore from Tennant Products. They have a whey protein, and they also have a dairy-free supplement. It's exactly the same thing, but just a different source for the protein. Check it out. You're going to love it.